Hi, my name's Glenn. I've created this short video to show you how to include code in a post so that it's properly formatted, and thereby it makes it easy for people to help you. Some people like to post their code as a photo or a video. That's not terribly helpful because it's very difficult to copy and paste the code from a video or a photo into the helper's environment. So it makes it difficult for them to help you because they have to retype it, and that's not really of interest to them to retype your code from a photo. So by following this technique, you make it easy for people to help you because it's readable and available for them to help you. So when you follow this simple technique, what will happen is the code that you post will appear like this, as opposed to if you don't follow the technique, it might come out looking something like that. So I've got this post, which I'll include in a link in the video, but also go through a quick example. So the first thing you will need to do is create a new post. Now, when you do create a new post, you'll probably find that you're in this sort of mode, which is the Fancy Pants editor. You can actually use this to format the code. The main one to do code blocks is this one, but it does sometimes break if you have some blank lines in your code or other things. So it's not the most reliable. The best way is to use the Markdown mode. So you click Markdown, and all you need to do is, type a description, proper description, of course, and a proper description of what the problem is. But all you need to do is type in 3 backticks. Now, the backtick character is this one that appears on the keyboard in the top left of most keyboards, just next to the 1 key and underneath the tilde key above the tab. So 3 of those. So that will look like this. And then the code. So I've created a simple program over here which has a problem in it. So I'll just compile that, and we can see that there's an error. So I'll select the code first and paste it in there, and then on another blank line by itself, put in 3 more backticks, and then if you need to include more, that's fine. 3 more backticks. And go back, this time I'll include the error messages, so it doesn't limit it to just pasting code. It works for any text. 3 more backticks, blank line, then post. There's post is down here. And there's our nicely formatted code, which is easy to read. If I didn't do this, I'll just show you quickly what it looks like. Edit the post. So I put the code in again. So there's the code. So I just paste that in as is and do save. And you can see there's the result if you don't do this. So just simple technique, put 3 backticks, use the Markdown mode, and it comes out like that, which makes it very, very much easier for people to help you. So hopefully that was useful, and all the best with your projects.